What is the secret to my trading? So this was a crude oil trade I took earlier today. Pip perfect entry, exited before the retrace. What is the secret? If you go to my Twitter and take a look at the trades I'm taking. So that's the oil trade that you saw. This is another oil trade. ES, S&P 500. I actually caught the low before it retraced. Dow Jones. ES again. Oil. Oil. Lots of oil this month. And this one is Dow Jones again. What is the secret to my trading? The secret to my trading is I do not limit myself to one asset. The trouble is, if you say, I'm just an NQ trader or I'm just an ES trader, what happens if that asset is consolidating and it's not going to move? You're going to be sitting there during your trading session getting more and more frustrated with the price action. And if it's just going to consolidate, you are more and more likely to take a bad trade. Whereas if you have the skill set to trade multiple assets, all you have to do in the morning is screen to see which asset fits your trading model for today. If you have a good trading model, it can be copied and pasted to any asset. Trust me, all exchange traded products move exactly the same. If you want to become a truly spectacular trader, watch this video to understand a simple hack that you can use, which will allow you to trade every asset. Now, I've noticed so many of you have moved away from Forex to futures. Now, what if the futures markets are consolidating and things aren't moving? You need to have Forex in your bag also. And I'm going to show you today exactly how you can trade Forex using a daily bias hack. So this is Euro USD. Biggest thing ICT traders struggle with is the daily bias. This hack is the best thing I've seen, which will allow you to know whether the day is going to close bullish or bearish. And it works 71% of the time. I'm going to show you all the stats at the end of this video, so stay until the end. If you find value in the content that I share, then please feel free to give me a like and to share it with your trading community. So this is called the Asian range breakout statistic. And what it says is if we define the Asian range from 7 p.m. to 4 a.m. as soon as a 15-minute candle closes above or below the Asia range, you have the daily bias for the rest of the day. So the day starts for Forex at 5 p.m. and it ends at 5 p.m. This is the daily candle. If you are a day trader, more than likely you are trying to assess what the daily candle will close, bullish or bearish. All you have to do is mark out the Asia range and find the first candle that closes above or below. So, horizontal line here. Okay, did this candle close below? No. It just wicked it. So is this candle here. So, by 7:45 a.m., now all of my times are always in EST, New York time. By 7:45 a.m., you have your bias for the day. All you have to do is find an entry and an exit. Okay, you could just do something as simple as, I'm not even looking at the charts. You have a 15-minute fair value gap here. Obviously, you can refine it, right? You could have got a easy one-to-one. Okay, whatever you're doing, okay, whatever your strategy is, maybe you have a lower time frame entry. This is all you need to do to have your daily bias for every single asset. Let me now prove to you that this works 71% of the time. This is a tool called Edgeful. Edgeful is a quant level statistics engine created by an ex-Goldman Sachs alumnus. He worked in the New York office, I worked in the London office, and it allows you to go through dozens and dozens of reports to find or refine your trading edge. So the report I'm showing you today is the Asia range breakout report for Euro USD using 3 years worth of data. And what it says is 75% of the time, if we have a bullish breakout of the Asia range, let me tell you what that means. So if we have a bullish breakout of the Asia range, the daily candle will close bullish 75% of the time. If we have a bearish breakout first candle closes below the Asia range, 74% of the time you have a red day. This gives you your daily bias. I don't know why you guys are just focusing on one asset. If that asset is consolidating, you are going to rack up losses in that day. Just screen in the morning, find what is the most likely asset to trade, and then trade that. You can use Edgeful, for which there's a link in the description of this video, to screen for every single ticker and every single stock. Okay, you have futures, you have NQ, you have everything there. So you can find what has the edge. So you'll see today, what trades was I taking today? I was taking oil, and this was around 7 a.m. And earlier in the morning, I took a oil trade at around 2:35 a.m. Okay? You have no excuses now. Expand your skill set, expand your bag. If you would like me to teach you exactly how I trade index futures, energies, metals, forex, and crypto using my golden bullet and rabbit hole trading strategies, there's a link to my mentorship below.